Today we have a video from the Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Smuggling Illegal Immigrants in Hidden Compartment. Busted.
You don't know?
No, I'm just doing my job.
You doing your job? Would there be a reason there'd be a hidden compartment in there? How you doing, sir? You open the door for me. Texas Highway Patrol, read your stuff. You have expired license plates since April.
Really?
Yeah. Got your driver's license, your insurance, my man. Where you headed to today?
George West.
George West? Okay, where you coming from?
Just around, what's it called?
Just around, what's it called?
San Miguel.
Yeah, okay. Right over here, this little town back here?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have all your paperwork on the truck and everything?
Yes.
What company is it?
Well, it's we sell water totes, so on Marketplace.
All right. How long you been doing that?
A couple of months.
Couple of months. Okay, just get your driver's license with you. How many hours you got going, or been doing it a while, or you just started this evening?
I just started this evening.
Okay. All right, man.
I got a Maryland driver's
Oh,
license.
that's fine, man. You been here in Texas a while, or you just commercial driving through here?
Yeah, just commercial.
So you don't have any of the truck's paperwork, anything like that? No
got
book that
insurance.
I know usually people that they got box trucks, they got like all their paperwork in a notebook and everything like that. Well, that's something. Scaled. Or I guess when you got weighed, or they weighed the truck. Well, this was back in May when they weighed it. I'll put that back up there for you, buddy. You don't have any problem with your license, not suspended or anything like that? All right. Let me just check everything real quick and I'll get you rolling, all right?
Okay, sounds good.
Is this your normal truck you've been driving, or is this like one you just picked up a little while ago? Or
No, this is still regular.
it's a regular truck? Yeah. All right. Just going to check the VIN and everything, make sure it's all good.
I got insurance.
Yeah. And this is like one of the main trucks you drive, or does somebody else drive for the company, or?
Oh, you gonna be stepping out the car.
Who's the actual person, the insured name right here? That's saying it's not your name, or is it? Oh yeah, it is, right?
Yeah.
So let me check everything real quick and I'll get you on your way, buddy.
Sounds good. Thank you, man.
Is there a reason your plates are expired, or you just didn't know?
I didn't know. I really didn't know.
All right, brother. Watch your feet and I'll get you on your way shortly, okay?
You're done. You're done. You're talking about he think he gonna actually be on his way with expired plates. Man, step out the car, man. We about to search this. This Texas, man. We ain't playing with you.
Yeller.
Goose, come to my 20, bro. I'm about 3 or 4 miles north of you, north of Falcon. I got a box truck, expired 28s. The dude has no paperwork for whatever he's hauling in the back.
Yeah, I mean, it's 17.
It's expired. He showed me an insurance where he has insurance on the truck, but he's got nothing else. And he says he's coming from Roma, heading to George West.
17.
All right, homie. See you shortly.
A second officer arrived to assist with the traffic stop.
Yeah, I mean, he should at least be able to tell me what he's got in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Considering it's unlocked. Yeah. Hey, Sid, can you step out of here with me real quick?
Told you. Step out the car.
Do you have any weapons on you, nothing like that? No knives, guns, anything like that, brother? Do you know what you have in the back right now? Or what are you hauling?
Just water.
Just water, things like you said? All right, but you have no bill of lading where you're taking it, where you're going to drop it off, anything like that?
I just sell them on the market.
All right, all right. Is it all right with you, and you get your permission, you give us consent to search, or could he open that up?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're heading to George West right now?
Well, I was going to make a stop on Sappheiros
Okay.
to Brass.
Okay, got you, buddy. All right. You know if they have hazmat or anything in them, or they're just empty?
Just empty. We just sell it.
All right. How much do they usually go for?
300,
how much
I think.
300 for that?
Sure. I'm not the one who sells it.
So you just the driver?
Yeah, I'm just the driver.
Okay, man.
I pay always.
So how long have you been in Texas? A month, a week, or?
Like maybe 2 months.
2 months. All right, bro. Let me step back over here. That way you get you in a safe place. That way you can lean up on my unit if you want, man. That way it's safer that way, about right there, okay?
You reach the road?
Yeah, we got it. No, they don't look like they got a whole bunch of dust on them. So none of these things got liquids in? Are they all empty?
They're all empty.
They're all empty, okay. Yeah, they're all light.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see all the way to the front. I'm not seeing any gap or anything. Here you go. Right, they're all just stacked all the way to the front. I'm trying to see the wall though.
Doesn't the wall look further like here? Doesn't that look further?
Yeah, it does. Look at all the caulking over there, like that spray foam in the corner. You'd be the only lightweight guy that can get in there. I got you. Where do we open it?
You're gonna have to go this way.
Yeah, I got you.
Hook them up. Bro, you got a compartment. Well, you got a compartment. I don't know if there are people in there, but
Really?
yeah, it's a compartment. I don't know if you want to read it.
All right, so put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Don't make this difficult. Is there anybody traveling with you right now, following you? All right. Lean back right there, bud. Said, right now I read you your rights, all right?
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent and not make any statement at all. Any statement you make, you have the right to terminate this interview at any time. With all this, I've already advised you of your rights, okay? So, is there anything you want to explain to me? Or tell me what's up in there?
I don't know, sir. I'm just.
You don't know?
No, I'm just doing
Okay.
my job.
You doing your job? Would there be a reason there'd be a hidden compartment in there?
I don't know, sir.
I mean, right now you're driving the truck. You can't tell me anything about the truck. You see how that looks?
Sure.
And then he crawls up in there. This is what we do. We've been doing this. I almost got 18 and a half years doing it. Same thing with Sergeant Guzman. This is something we do. So.
All right. Like he said, the reason there's a lot of red flags is because when you're in trucking and stuff like that, he mentioned something earlier, which is the bill of lading, right? Or for short, they call it BOL, right? When people go and drop off stuff and pick things up or whatever and all that stuff, there's a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper that you get, and it has everything, like who ordered it, where is it going, the company that's picking it up, whatever the case may be, and what's in the package, or what's there, so what's what you're picking up and everything. Now, box trucks, it depends. Some box trucks, they don't have to have a logbook. Some do, whatever. My truckers, they know a little bit more. When I was in the trucking game, I was in a cargo van game. So we didn't follow the same laws as like the trucker guys. Okay. So I know a little bit about it, but not all the way, but I know what BOL is, right? So yeah, I've been a jack of many trades, man. I did a little trucking in the side, you know what I mean? Like I did, listen. So, but anyways, so the fact that this guy he doesn't have a logbook, that's not necessarily a red flag, but he don't got no paperwork from where he was picking up, where he's dropping off, nothing. And you're supposed to be delivering waters or whatever. You would have some documentation about that. You have none. Then the other story that's not right is you have a Maryland ID. He asked you, are you staying in here, or are you just, you're just here, traveling through, or whatever the case may be. He said, oh yeah, I'm just traveling through, whatever, But then later he asks you, well, how long you been in Texas? And he says, about 2 months. Your story isn't consistent. The cops are asking you certain things for a reason, and you giving, you know, it's not adding up. Especially in Texas where this stuff goes on. Texas and Mexico, they come on, they trade in you know, immigrants all day long. This is what they do. So these cops that are working these highways and stuff, they know what's up.
Are you unaware that there might be anything in there?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
You know that if people die in there? Yes.
All right, said you heard Sergeant Guzman. Do they have air? Can they breathe? The bodies that are in that false wall hiding.
I don't know, sir. I swear. I
mean, if
he
laughing. This truck after market and it has a false wall or something, anything that happens right now, the liability, if they can't breathe, that's on you, man, because you're the driver. You've been nice the whole time. I'm going to be nice right back. That's the only reason. If there's something you know, I've already read you your rights, man. This is the only way you can help yourself right here, okay? So right now, I'm going to get everything going. We're going to do what we can here on the side of the road. But all in all, like I said, the handcuffs are on you, man. I mean, it's either something's in there. And I can tell you right now, those boxes, those containers here in South Texas, they go for $80 each, not $300. So
I wasn't sure, sir.
Right. I hear you, man.
See, he asking you questions that he already know the answers to.
Anything or?
I haven't seen that, but there's something reflected in it. I just want to make sure they're reading, bro.
I hear you.
Man, before he's done, nobody's answering. But
yeah.
An answer, right?
Nah, they ain't got an answer.
Finding the secret compartment was easy. Opening it from inside the trailer proves difficult.
I'm gonna go look in the cab real quick. Hey, there's a false wall, but let me move the chair. You can get in at the passenger seat. No se mueve. ¿Hay niños o nomás ustedes? Anda, tranquilo. ¿Cuántos son? 4. We got 4.
Yeah.
Are you mobile?
I'll tell BP to. We'll go let comms open. I'm gonna shut the door that way they can't. Buddy, they were right behind your seat.
No, but I only got.
Okay, all right. I've already read you your rights, you know, but just to let you know, it's already. They're there. Isaac, walk up to the passenger and show him what's in there. That way he can see.
He's there to only move in your wrist.
Hey, Sid. Given everything what's going on, you know what's up, right?
I don't, sir.
All right. Well, those 4 people didn't just magically just jump in your truck, considering that they got to move your seat to get them in there. But right now,
It was a setup, sir. Okay. I swear to God.
But see, that's what a lot of these organizations, they do that stuff, man. They set people up because you're a fall guy. But
I thought it was his job.
Sid. Really? Yeah. BP checked him, but he came out clear. He didn't have any priors or anything with BP.
Oh.
Here, bud. I got their IDs, or at least 2 of their IDs.
Ricky, you got
Did y'all take a group photo of them, or? I got it.
photo?
Say that's cheese.
The 4 migrants who had crossed the border illegally from Mexico were turned over to Border Patrol and deported. The suspect, himself illegally in the United States, had a provisional driver's license from Maryland and had previously been arrested there on charges of assault and fraud. He was booked into the county jail on felony smuggling charges.
Wow. Well, welcome to the United States. Listen, I get it, man. People are in messed up situations and all that stuff, and they're trying to get out and come to the United States for a better life. But hey, there's a right way and there's a wrong way to come. And that is the wrong way. take your ass back the way you came from. That's a fact. Take your ass back. Go ahead. And you know what? They caught these ones, right? But there's thousands of trucks that, you know, are going through from Texas to Mexico, whatever. Thousands of trucks every day bringing people over. And keep in mind, if that truck didn't have expired plates or anything like that, they would have made it. That's the whole reason for the initial stop, is that the plates were expired. So whoever is doing this operation, if they had legit, you know, if their truck was legit, they would have got through. Crazy, man. Anyway, cops did a wonderful job, man. Great investigative skills. They knew something wasn't right. So it is what it is. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.